Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to use your windscreen, wipers and fluid on your BMW 1 Series car. Let's have a seat at the driver's side. And if we are looking on the right side, there is a multifunction lever built in, and it is behind our steering wheel. And we have so many awesome options on this one lever. We can slide it up, slide it down, and we can use the alternative rotation for the rear setup. Let's perform the front side. If we are pulling on this lever, then our windshield wipers are starting with fluid and wiping. If we go down with the lever, this is one-time wiping. If we go up to 0 point, nothing happened. If we go once up, then we are in automatic mode. The auto LED is on, as you can see. That means if the sensor on the front side is checking that there is some rain falling down, the wipers will start working automatically. You can set up this and adjust the sensitivity by using the plus and minus area. And this, if your lever goes up more, then you are in setup number 1 and then in setup number 2. Then come back to auto, then off, and down is one-time wiping. Let's go to the rear side. We have an extra lever for the rear side. The rear side is possible by rotating them, pull or push them away from you. If we are pushing it, that means at the rear side, the automatic fluid and wiping is on. If we are going behind this in the push setup, that means we will get fluid out manually. Here we can see. Now we're pushing it forward a little bit and then the wiper is working. But if we are pushing again or more, then the fluid will rinse out, as you can see. And this we can perform in the opposite way by using it only once. That means there comes every of these 2 steps in once. This is for faster clean out. This was the other side. And to make a short wash up, you can pull the entire lever and you can see there comes a little bit of wiper fluid and the wipers are working 5 times, I think. That it is how to use your windscreen wipers on the front and the rear side. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.